Hello everyone, welcome to Creativity Corner. Today I'll be teaching you guys how to make pancakes. So the following ingredients in front of you are all what you need to make your pancakes. So from right to left we have 1 cup of flour, half a cup of sugar, a little bit, like about a tablespoon of baking powder, 1 egg and 1 cup of milk. If you keep the proportions the same, you can double up the amount or make as many of that as you want to make more pancakes. Some more tools you need for the pancakes are a frying pan, some cooking oil, a spoon or a whisk to mix up the whole batch, a ladle to take it out of the bowl, and obviously a bowl. The first step in making the mixture is mixing up the dry ingredients. So those are the baking powder, the flour, and the sugar. First of all, you put them all into the bowl. Doesn't really matter which order. And you mix them all together. Once the dry ingredients are mixed, add the egg, then add the milk. Nicely make sure nothing splashes outwards. And start mixing. Obviously start gently from the side, and slowly as things come together you can start mixing more intensely. Once the mixture gets a consistent texture and consistent feel, it should be done. Once we're done with the mixture, add some cooking oil into a frying pan, set the heat to a medium level, and if you're not used to using a stove, please make sure to ask someone who is responsible and already knows how to use a stove, because we don't want to risk you getting burnt. Once the oil is hot, you can start pouring a ladle full of mixture into the center of the frying pan. Make sure that the size and the amount of mixture that you're going to put in is not going to change, it's going to be the same, and that will be the size of your pancake. Once the upper side is a little bit wet but full of bubbles, it's time to turn over. So we're going to scoop it from the bottom and just flip it. This one seems like it's ready now, so we'll get it out of the pan by scooping it and put it aside. Let it cook for about 30 to 40 seconds and check underneath to see if it's cooked, because you can't see the bubbles on the top this time. And you can turn it over if you have to. Now you're ready to keep making the rest of them, so all you have to do is pour more mixture into the pan and do the same all over again. And there you go, you'll have some pancakes. Now that your pancakes are ready, they're ready to serve. Thank you for watching, and please check out my other videos.